Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. It is called Dudios Model S5. Yes, they have brought up another beautiful with voice search earbuds. This will work up to 8 hours without any hesitation. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. You can see that the box is really nicely designed, and once we slowly slide it out, there is another box inside of it. So once we open that slowly and we take everything out of it, here is all the components that are part of this. It comes with this user manual. You can see it's pretty thick, and when you go on the first page, it gives you a table of content, and also it tells you what other language is covered in this manual itself. Also, it shows what this package content is, which we are going to cover right after this, and more is all going to be here. How you can pair it, what you will be able to use, what type of functions when you touch the top part, which we will cover, and also when you put it on your ear, how it will fit. It's all in this user manual. That's not the only thing. When you go near to the warranty part, there's a rules and regulation. On top of that, there's some FCC information, and when you go to the back part of it, it has all of their information if you need to get in contact with them for any reason. Now it also comes with this little box, which is really nicely designed. Now again, we're going to just open it up and check to see what's inside of it. And there you go. Inside of it, you will get this charging cable. It is USB Type-C to USB 2.0, and that way you will charge your docking station. We will show you in a few seconds. And it also comes with a nice clear plastic Ziploc, and inside of it you will find some little ear tips. So this way, if the other ones are going to fall out or gets old, or if it is small or big in your ear, you can change them very easily. Now the next part, and the big part, is the actual docking station. It's really designed nicely. You can see going all the way around that it doesn't have much markings around, and when you go to the bottom, I really like that little design that they have put there. It does have their actual name and model number, and then also it will tell you exactly how much it requires for you to place it on a charge, which is 5 volt 1 amp, and it is made in China. It has all of the information underneath of it, which I really like. Now going in the front, you have these little lights right there, so we'll show you each one on 25% of charge. So once we open it, you can see that, and there is a little part so you can open, and going around there's a little cut that goes in the back, and this is the part that will open. So there's a little ledge. We will show exactly how good that part is too, and also you have the USB Type-C charger in the back. So it looks really cool, and again, when you put it down on the actual table, it sits nicely and it doesn't wobble when you are trying to do that. Now another good part is that it is pretty solid, so if you want to put it in your pocket, yes, and you want to sit, as long as you don't put it in your back pocket, this is not going to break. It's very durable. Now that's not the only thing. When you open it, here you go, that's how it really looks. You can see that it is fully charged right now, so I do not have to place it on a charge, but we will show you anyways, and this is how it will be when you put it on a charge. So here you go. I like that little cut that they have on the top, so that way the head part will sit inside of it, and you have little markings on the, and it says R, and then this part says L, so that means left and right. You can see that it is pretty cool. And also the actual earbuds, we're going to go to it in a few seconds. Now talking about the ledge itself, you can see this part right there. So when you look at in the back, it's nicely done so it doesn't break when you go. Now one more thing is, when you put your headphones and you want to close the top, magnet noise to it, that means it is just got closed. Now when you open it, you can see that the right one is blinking, so we will start taking it out, and we're going to cover this too to see exactly how this is. But before we get there, you can see the docking station do have those little parts, so that way your earbuds gets charged from this docking station itself. So you can see that this one is right now available and you have to pair it, but I like that little design that goes over your ear. It's really nicely written, and also the touch part so you can play and pause is also set up right there, so that little part. And then going around is the earbuds. Now there is nothing around here when you look, but if you look in the bottom, you have that little hole that is going to be your mic. Now the earbud itself, the part that goes inside of your ear, is also designed really nicely, and if you look on the tip part is also nicely done. So we will test everything one by one and show you how these are designed. Now going down, you have this little part which has a little cover on it. You have to take it out, and that's how you're going to be able to charge your earbuds now when you put it in your docking station. So it looks really cool. I really like that. Now what I'm trying to find is if there's any kind of marking that shows right or left, and it is right over there. It says that this one is left, there you go, and the other one is right. Now you can see the ear tip, you have the name properly written. This is really good. It's engraved to the actual earbud. You have the little LED light right beside it, and you have the touch part, so when you pair it, how it looks. So let's get this paired right now. So first thing first, make sure you take your headphone out or earbud. We take the right one out and we close this. And now we make sure that it is blinking as it is showing right now. Go on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings, wait till it comes up, click on your pair part, and then you will see that the actual headphones shows up right away called Dudios S5. We will select it and we wait for it to say paired. There you go. Now it says that it is paired. Simple as that. And you can see that also shows your percentage, how much charge your earbuds have. So that's it. Let's go through and do some testing. So here you go. This is our test. We will grab the actual earbuds. As usual, we want to make sure that this touch part do work when you're tapping it one time or two times. There you go. Now it's paused if you press it twice. And then when you press it twice again, it plays. So this is the good part, that this really works. So this is not it. We will try a few more other things to see exactly how this will really function. So for this part of the test, we will put both of the earbuds on our ear, and then we're going to record it to see exactly how clear it will sound when you're on a phone or you want to take notes inside of a class. So take both of them. So now I have both of them on, and we will go through and click the record button, and there you go. So this is how clear it will sound when you are talking on the phone and your earbuds are on your ear, so you're not holding it near to your mouth in order for this to sound properly. So I am just going to test this out, and I will tell you exactly how good this sounds by placing the actual sound on the video itself, and this way you have a better idea on how good this will work when you are on a phone call. All right, so we will stop. So in this test, we will show exactly how loud it will get when you are putting this in your ears. And I know this sound is very loud, so we will click on it to let it play. And then we're going to make sure that it is on a maximum level. There you go. So you are probably going to hear it right now. Yes, it doesn't have much noise cancellation. But let's see, when we use our meter, let's just make sure that the light is on. There you go. And then we're going to hold the right one first. So it's not that loud, which is a really cool thing. And we will use the second one. Now when it comes to listening to music with this earbuds, it does the job really good. Now that's not the only thing. Bass is something I found very amazing when I listen to this earbuds. It layers it for you separately. So if you have a song that is really deep in bass, this will do the job perfectly for you without you actually listening to any kind of buzzing noise. for again for the price that it comes in these holders that goes above your ear. And when you want to go for jogging or you want to walk, this is not going to fall from your ear. That's the best part. Again, when you want to make a call, you heard it, it's really good. And when it comes to an actual design of it, it is flawless. It's really nice. The touchpads are also very sensitive, and it is set up on a proper part so that we do not have to make them drop anywhere, or when you touch it, it will do something different. So there is some manual that will tell you exactly what each of these buttons will do for you on each ear, and that way you do not have to make a mistake by pressing the wrong one, or if you are, very easily could be fixed. Another good part is the actual docking station itself. When you put the earbuds inside of it, it's very quick to response, and it makes a little noise when you put them back in. And another good part is that it gets disconnected right away from your phone. Alright, you can see that the earbuds right now sitting inside of the docking station, and as soon as I open it and then I take it out, you can see that it's very quickly gets activated and it is working already. Now, if I have to take the earbuds and I put it back in the case and I close the top, it gets disconnected very, very quickly. That's what I really like about this earbuds itself. Again, it is very inexpensive to get one of these on hand. So this will really worth it to have one of these with you anywhere you go. The only thing is that the actual docking station is a little bit bigger than the others. But again, it makes sense why they made it a little bit bigger. That means is the actual battery in this also going to last you a little bit longer than you expected. Another good part is that once you are low in charge, you have to put your earbuds back inside of this docking station, and voila, give it about 10 minutes and you can use it for another hour. It's that good. So this was our take on Dudios S5. I hope you guys like our video. All the links will be available where you can order it from, and if you need more help for this earbuds itself, at the bottom of this video. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.